My name's David Howlett. I'm the team leader for the Adaptation and Water Resource Management team in the Climate Environment Department in Policy Division. Myself and Alex Harvey from the Africa Regional Department organised a session on adaptation. We wanted to know what works and what doesn't work, and we looked at really three questions. What is the experience of adaptation, and where should we be focusing our efforts? And we had a really excellent set of speakers working on community-based adaptation, the research side, and also how we brought science into understanding about what we need to do around adaptation.
Okay. Hello there, I'm Alex Harvey from Africa Regional Department. I'm a climate change advisor with a particular interest in adaptation. The title of our session at the conference was Adaptation, What Works and What Doesn't. So really we were just trying to provide some practical examples of what adaptation looks like in practice. So I think DFID has a very good idea of the concepts of what adaptation is, but we really need to try and learn from the experience on the ground to try and inform programs and policy. I think some of the key messages to come out of the session were firstly understanding that adaptation is complementary to other activities around climate change, particularly around mitigation and low carbon development, so it shouldn't be seen in isolation. But also that adaptation is best understood as being integrated within sectors and across sectors. So again, it's a really cross-cutting issue. The majority of activities we undertake will feed into adaptation in some way, but we have to be careful that we frame those activities in light of climate change and the changes we expect to see. So the sessions really just talked about some of the lessons, some of the practical experiences of adaptation on the ground. And one of the key things that came out was this issue of specific climate information, how that needs to be generated, how it can be used, and actually what that can lead to on the ground in the way that communities, local governments and other players actually start to make slightly different types of decisions when an adaptation lens is put onto their decision-making context. Thank you.